Hey there everybody, welcome back to another video. It's a reaction video. I've done a couple Cars YTP reactions before. Those are kind of outdated now because that's when I was technologically incompetent. So, now this is where we move on to another YTP. It's a Cars Tune YTP. And it is called McQueen Freezes, Explodes, and Crashes When He Gets Hiccups. And by the way, I did kind of start watching a bit of it because I was recording a reaction to it initially, but microphone was like F you, so now I have to record this all again. So, yay! You gotta love Bluetooth drivers. Or USB drivers, sorry. Not Bluetooth. My mic isn't wireless. Alright, let's just get into it. Celebrating 20 years of Cars. Yep. Without cars, I would never be without cars, I wouldn't be the same man. Or boy, rather.
YouTube poop
It's where the poop is!
Where there's smoke, they pinch back.
When you wish upon
Sorry, I had to do that.
a star.
No! Rip Luxo. Yeah, because it's a car tune about cars. A Cars tune. Ha ha! That's comedy right there. That should be on SNL. Okay, enough with the funny sarcasm.
Oh, you stink!
And they like to spin.
Spring!
Oh, my favorite customer.
Very intense drink there, buddy. Get over how funny that is.
You know the cure for hiccups?
Oh my god. Rest in peace, Guido.
What?
I can't get over how funny that is.
You don't want to know.
You literally exploded.
Stop!
I don't know why I did that.
Cupping soldier, that's an order. Try a drink.
He just freezes temporarily like a Windows application. Like a Windows 11 application on Windows 8.
of water.
You gotta hang upside down, spin around while you touch your tongue together.
Mater, let him down! I've got this.
Thanks, Sally.
Sheriff, no!
Sheriff, I'll carry you.
The Thomas O-face meme never gets old.
No, so much no.
No, so much no.
Sheriff, I'll carry you.
No, so
That's
much
so
no.
good. Thanks for watching. That was a good ending. Let's watch that ending again. That was good. What in the blue blazes? McQueen.exe start working. Don't hiccup. Hiccup. That's funny. Anyways, that's gonna do it for this reaction video. If you enjoyed, please make sure that you like, sub, turn notifications to make sure you don't miss out on a single video that I do, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I gotta speed on out. You're way past school. Stay that way. Sorry, I've been uploading much recently. And I will see you guys in the next one. Do something nice for someone today. Adios.